Today we're in Southeast Lakeland, and right behind me is the Alyssa Dawn under construction in Delphi Hills. So we're going to do a walkthrough of this home. Again, it is mid-construction. It's got a crazy cool pool in the back. Let's take a look at how this is laid out. There's some special upgrades you're going to like in this home. And let's take a walkthrough. Comment below what your favorite feature is in this home. There's going to be many, especially when it's completed. We'll do a final video later, but for now, let's take a look at it where it stands. Having a construction background, it's always cool to see different stages these homes are in right now. So this is Hulbert Homes, the Alyssa Dawn. We're located right now in Delphi Hills, as I mentioned earlier, just to let you know kind of where we are. This is one of the cul-de-sacs here. This is on the left-hand side when you come in Delphi Hills. These are the larger lots. There are still a few available, but I can tell you this one is already built for a family right here. Just cleared a lot here, and then this lot is getting cleared now. And then there's an amazing spec home right here, which we've walked through before. It is coming along really, really nice. That's a market-ready home available as of the recording of this video. But let's take a look at this under construction Alyssa Dawn. Now, whenever you build a custom home with Hulbert, you can design the outside. And again, I'm gonna need you to use your imagination here. This one is already sold, but just to see this floor plan, to get an idea, if you're interested in Alyssa Dawn, this will give you an idea of how it flows. Now, I've got a completed one of these on my channel that was in Cypress Trace. So if you want to find that, I'll drop a link below. We're going to go in through the garage because it's Saturday and all the construction workers are taking a day off, well deserved, and it's a little bit more quiet in here, so it's kind of nice. So we're going to come back here and I'm going to take you in the front door. Look at this front door. There's a reason that it's blocked off. It is crazy cool. Some heavy metal doors right there. All right, so take a look at it when you first walk in. First of all, look at that cool, it could be a spider, I don't know. That's the light fixture. So when you first walk in, I'm sure it's gonna be all wood floors. Nice and open. Look at these ceilings. Let me show you from the other angle too so you can see it. Massive pool. We're gonna go out there in just a minute. Fireplace. Drop your big screen right there. And again, more finishes to come on this home. It's got a nice kind of a corner kitchen. Look at all the cabinets everywhere. I'm sure there's gonna be quartz countertops on here. Massive dining area overlooking the pool. Windows everywhere. This is a Mac Daddy range hood. Holy cow, look at that thing. So I just want you to, again, use some imagination. And of course they draw notes here to get some ideas. All custom built cabinets. They just dropped them a little bit ago. They'll have some nice pulls on it. And you can see the farm sink, dishwasher. Looks like a massive range. We have natural gas out here, which is really nice. So that looks like a gas stub, but there is electric down there. So not sure what that is, honestly. More cabinets over here, but there's some really, look at this. Look at that view. We're gonna go up there in a minute. I haven't even been up there. So let's do this. First of all, we're gonna go over to the primary suite. Double doors. Close this off for privacy. Look at this. Now this is something I haven't seen before. Is that not cool or what? Those are some serious, I'm sure they're gonna stain them. Wood beams in the cathedral ceiling for this master bedroom. This one's got a nice size lot. Windows everywhere. Very cool. Now we don't have power, so you're gonna see this grand entrance. This just looks like a regular closet. Wait till you see. This is one of the closets. It's gonna be huge. Wait for it. Wraps all the way around here. Let's go into the master bathroom. Toilet room here. Love the cabinet color. Double sinks, modern lighting, some nice mirrors up there. Linen closet straight ahead. Love this tile. They're gonna drop the tub right back here. So there'll be like a soaker tub. You can see it's plumbed for it. Looks like 2 shower heads. There's the turn-ons, and they're gonna have the rainmaker up there, another shower head, but really pretty tile color in this floor. This tile floor with the rock look is beautiful. Now this is what I wanted to show you. There's another closet. You can see wood floors coming in here. Ready? This closet. It's still a closet. Okay, there's some shoe shelves. What about that? Or hats or belts or purses. How's that? But wait, there's more. Look. It keeps on winding around. You kidding me? There's a light over here. Underneath the stairs. More space. Now this, I have not seen before. Another door. Check this out to the closet. Maybe you're out here watching TV, you want to slide into your jammies, need to get some shoes, purses, belts, get it, okay, just, I guess, push through, get to your closet, okay, and there you go, secret door. Who will know about this besides the owners and all 5,000 of you on this channel? So let's keep moving. So that's quite a master bedroom suite. This is beautiful. I love that. That is gonna look so nice when they finish everything up. All right, before I go show you the other side of the house, that's the other side of that, by the way. Let me show you this huge, massive mudroom. That's the 3-car garage we just came in from. But look at this mud area. Love this. Full-size washer dryer, lots of cabinets. Now this was bought mid-construction, so they may have made some modifications to this, I don't know. This looks like, could be just another fridge area, don't know for sure. Here's all your media station wires, but beautiful tall cabinets, some nice trim work there. An additional closet, pre-wired, got your security system, and this is of course ceramic tile floor. It's all covered up, so all the subcontractors coming in, it stays nice and looks really, really nice. This is all gonna be wood floors, so this will be pretty. And let's head to the left-hand side of the home. So it's really nice because it does have, besides the primary suite, this is the pool bath. We're not gonna go in here as they're telling us this tile is freshly laid. Looks like a walk-in shower right behind that wall, linen closet, and pretty funky wallpaper. But they got a theme going on here. So, and this is gonna be to the pool area. So, big, huge pool bath. And then here is a nice sized bedroom. I'm gathering. Big closet. I'm not sure if they're putting like a dining table here or it's a bedroom, or not really sure, but it's pretty cool looking. What do you think this is? Drop a comment below. I'm a little stumped. It's a cool fixture. Linen closet here. Let's head upstairs. I haven't been up here yet, so we're gonna discover this together. Again, this is raw footage. Oh, this is really nice. You're gonna have the lighting walking up the stairs. This will all be wood. All these stairs will be wood. It's a little toasty here today in August in Florida. It always is. Look at these high ceilings. Oh, what a beautiful chandelier. Look at that. Let's get another angle of that. Really super modern. It's gonna look nice through the window, and this will all be all secured and look great. So this is like an open area, desk, playroom, media room, office. Lots of natural light up here. And then up here, let's see what we have. To the left, that's a cool light fixture. Yeah, somebody definitely customized this. So you got a couple windows and a walk-in closet. Like that. This is looking out the front. Okay. And then we'll head over here. Before we head outside to the pool area, here is a full bath. So tub shower combination. And I'm sure they're gonna have quartz here and put some poles, probably black poles, I'm guessing because of the fixtures here. Great ceramic tile, love the subway, kind of going all the way up to the ceiling. Place for a shampoo. And then over here is gonna be another bedroom. This is in the back of the home. You can see they're painting, doing a final trim work here on some of the doors. And this is a closet, double doors. We're gonna see that back area in just a minute. In fact, we're heading down there now. So up here, it looks like 2 bedrooms, a full bath, plus this, which multi-purpose. And that is looking down, ladies and gentlemen. All right, let's go outside. A couple things on this outside pool area. This is really very customized, and there's an exterior cabana, which I'm seeing more and more with Hulbert Homes and with other builders. Of course, we're in Florida. Everybody wants a pool in Florida. Pretty common, but the cabana look gives it an extra somewhere to hang out besides underneath your lanai area, your rear lanai. Now, this is really pretty. This looks like porcelain. It's dirty because, again, we're mid-construction, so probably be tongue and groove wood. But look at this pool. Holy smokes. The similar pool is over in the Onyx, which is right here. This is that black 2-story when you first walk in. Look at this. It's gonna be, I think they're gonna have stools here, and a very cool pool, beautiful. And this will all be screened, I'm guessing. We're gonna see the finished product. Look at that. And a really nice cabana area off the back. This is gonna look beautiful at night. Big screen TV area. You've got sink, fridge, and then these nice wood beams. But look at the backyard. It's really pretty. It's graded nicely so you can have some privacy. And this, it goes, I'm sure it goes all the way to where it slants. And you can see the black 2-story is way back there. So these are big lots, but here's your rear view. You can see how massive it is. So this is the Alyssa Dawn with some custom touches. Do me a favor, drop your favorite, what you can tell under construction, your favorite upgrade feature, what you think is cool or you'd like in your next custom Hulbert home. Look forward to seeing you on the next one. Have a great day, whether selling or buying. You got to call Brian. Thanks for checking out this walkthrough video. Do me a favor, comment your favorite feature of this home and subscribe to this channel. Would love to connect with you for all of your real estate needs anywhere here in Central Florida. We have a team ready to serve you. Take care. God bless. Have a good day.